right, hey boys and girls, Coach Bashir here. We're gonna work on our rolling skills today. Now, what you need to know about rolling is that the ball always stays on the floor. And in our last videos, when we were showing you how to underhand throw, we were using a stuffed animal. But for rolling, it really requires a ball. But the cool thing is it could be any kind of ball, maybe other than like a football. It has to be a round ball, like this one that we've got here up at school, okay? So what we do when we roll the ball is we do tick tock, step, and roll, okay? So what that looks like is it's the same type of thing as an underhand toss, okay? But you want the ball to stay on the ground. So before we actually stand up and try and roll, we're gonna start by sitting, okay? So we're gonna sit down and we're going to just have a target. We've got cones on the wall, but at home, if you just have the wall, maybe you can put a little something up to give yourself a target. Maybe take a little sticker or something, put it on the wall, so you have a target to aim at. Now what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna just take two hands and push the ball and have it roll and strike the ball on the target. Okay, push, and it bounces off, comes back to me. It makes my job pretty easy. Push, bounce, roll back. Just like that, okay? So boys and girls, you guys go ahead and try and use two hands, push the ball. The number one thing you gotta do is control the ball. Make sure the ball stays on the ground at all times. That's what a roll looks like. A controlled ball rolling on the ground, staying in contact with the ground, okay? This is not a roll. That's a bounce. You wanna make sure it rolls on the floor, okay? All right, so y'all try that and see how many you can do in the next 20 seconds. All right, boys and girls, we're back at it. You just used two hands to push and roll the ball. Now we're gonna make it a little harder, and we're gonna control the ball with one hand, okay? So I'm just gonna use my right hand, push and roll, okay? I'm gonna use my right hand again. So I'm gonna just go with my right hand. I'm gonna see if I can roll the ball 5 times with my right hand. That's 2, 3, notice how my ball is controlled and it's maintaining contact with the ground at all times. 4 and 5. Now, when we're working skills like this, not only do we want to use our dominant hand, which my hand is my right hand, that's my dominant hand. My left hand, my non-dominant hand, we got to work that too. So now we're going to take our left hand and roll, and you're going to try that 5 times. All right, boys and girls, good luck, and keep the ball on the ground at all times, okay? Have fun.